Tailwind v4 was recently released, and the way to install Tailwind 4 with React and Vite has changed since version 3. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Tailwind 4 with React, TypeScript and Vite. So let's get started. Let's use Vite to create a React TypeScript boilerplate. We can do that by typing npm create Vite at latest, and we can type the name of the app. We can just call it React, and I'm going to press ---- template, and I'm going to pass react-ts, which is going to create the boilerplate for React using TypeScript. Open your IDE and go to the terminal and type npm install Tailwind CSS and add Tailwind CSS/Vite to install the Vite dependency for Tailwind CSS. Once that has been installed, we have to configure the Vite plugin for the vite.config.ts file, which if you press here and then head over to the vite.config.ts file, you'll be able to add the Tailwind CSS plugin. And to add that, you just have to reference tailwind.css and you can import it from Tailwind CSS/Vite. Once you have done that, you can head over to the source file on the left-hand side and then press on the index.css, and you can delete all the contents of that file. And instead, what you can do here is invoke import and reference Tailwind CSS. We also need to delete the app.css file because we don't need it, and we also need to delete the reference to that file from the app.tsx. So over here in the app.tsx file, I'm going to delete import.css, and I'm going to also override the contents of this file. I'm going to create a very simple h2 element that is going to have a class name of text-2xl. And we're also going to change the color of it. We can type text blue 500, and obviously we can name it hello world. Now, in order to test our changes to make sure that they work, we can go to the terminal and type npm run dev to start an instance of React. And then if we press on the React link here, as you can see, Tailwind CSS version 4 has now been successfully installed on a React TypeScript version using Vite. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.